Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration HF69ZPT. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof Factory Fitted Crew Cab Limited. It has done 132,000 miles with 2 previous owners. It has 2 keys. It comes with air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control, alloys, DAB radio, parking sensors, heated windscreen, sat-nav, Apple CarPlay, heated seats, stop-start. This 2019 custom crew cab has an amazing spec and is in excellent condition. It features captain seats, ideal for families who want a car-like atmosphere in the front with van space behind for bikes or fishing gear. The back is already kitted out with shelving, making it perfect for work too. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.